Good morning everyone. I am Karnyakant Kannadi and I am studying second year BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Now I am going to explain basic topics on JavaScript. They are variables, functions, arrays, objects and loops. At first I am going to explain you about variables. Now variables are declared using three types three types. Examples: var, let and const. In order to see where, let us see where first. Where x is equal to 10. In order to print, we have to use the console dot log x. Now the output 10 is given in here. Like that we can give let and const. We can't change the value of the variable in the const after the first variable declaration. It can't be changeable. The error will be given. This is all about variables, and now we are going to study about arrays. We know that array is a group of variables that have the same data type. Now I am taking an example of array. I am taking an array called fruits, and I am assigning its values that let this is an example of array. Now to print the output we have to write console dot log array name. Now I am going to print 0th. Here apple has been printed because it is the 0th iteration of the array. We can also print first index value that mango and so on. We can change the values of the array index, like let's say fruits to is equal to, let us take banana. Now by changing it we got banana is not guava. If we not take this it will give guava. So we can change the index values, and we can change the elements in the arrays also. Now we can add and delete elements of the array by using push and pop and shift operations. Let us take first fruits dot push operation. Let us take it as pineapple. It is given an end of the array. Now fruits dot pop operation. It will remove the last element of the array. Now next, roots dot unshift operation. See orange, it will print the element at the starting of the array. Now roots dot shift operation. It will remove the element. Remove the first element from the array. This is the basics of array. Now let us go to the next topic called functions. Now in the topic function, the syntax of function is function dot function name. Let us take demo, curly braces and flower braces, and we have to write the matter inside the curly brace. Let us write console dot log demo of the function. Now we wrote the function. Let us call it. By calling the function demo, the output, project, the code in the curly braces is given after calling the function. It is the basic concept of the function. Let us take an functions with the parameters. Now let us take a function with the parentheses like sum of two numbers, sum a comma b, curly braces, and return a plus b. Now it will return a plus b value. Now by calling the function, let x, we can take x is equal to function calls sum of, let us take parenthesis as 3 comma 4. In this, the 3 comma 4 are the parentheses and these are given to the function, and the return value a plus b is taken with x. By executing this, and let console dot log x, the 7 output 7 is printed because the sum of 3 plus 4 is 7. This is all about the functions. Now let us move to the next topic, objects. Objects are used to collect collection of data and store complex entities. Now let me explain you with an example. Let taking an object student name Kiran, comma separated by comma, age 18, Now take this is an example of object. We can access the object by dot operator. Let me explain. Console.log student, it is the object name. Dot, let me take age, student age, it has been printed as 18. Now we can take name, Kiran. The objects are the values in the objects are used by dot operator. We can also take an function in the object like is reading function console dot log let us s is now this is an object with the function student dot operator is reading function. The output is printed. See, we can access the variables in the object by using dot operator as we seen above. Now let us go to the next part, that is loops. There are types of loops. Let us take for the first loop called for loop. For let I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Console dot log I. See the output 0 to 5. Now this is the initialization and this is the condition and it is the updation. Now we can also verify this, that first the I value is 0, unless I value is updated to +1. I plus plus means I is equal to I plus 1. Plus 1 it value is updated to 1 and so on up to 5. Now let's take next loop, that is called while loop. While loop, at first we have to declare a variable that I is equal to 0 while condition I less than 5 curly braces at console dot log I, and we have to give the updation here I plus plus. Now the output of the while loop is given here like 0 1 2 3 4. Then next we can take the next do while loop. Do while loop is same as while loop, but the condition is given after the loop. So the iteration will be executed at first after the condition is applied. Example, now I am taking same lesson 5 0 1 2 3 4. Here the condition is given next last and updation is given before. And now this is all about loops concept. So we have discussed all the five topics like variables, functions, objects, arrays, and loops in JavaScript. Thank you, one and all.